Thank you so much for joining us for another edition of All Angles. I'm Dion Jackson Miller, and a very special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Masculinity on the margins, that's our focus this evening. Lots of talk this week about the new fashion trend called the male romper or romp him. There was also controversy over the new dancehall hit, Equal Rights. Controversy too after a new song released by dancehall artist Dexter Daps called Ono. So is masculinity under threat based on these and wider societal issues? Joining us in studio this evening, we have Ivina Henry, recording artist. You might know her better as Pamper T. We also have with us Dr. Lakim Simaj, psychologist. Damian Crawford, former Member of Parliament and regular commentator on social media. And also with us, Kamoy Enyu. She's a student at the Edamande College of Visual and Performing Arts. Now, before we go to our guests, we're going to be hearing what some members of the public had to say about the romp hymn.
It's a man who wears a male romper.
No, I wouldn't.
Why wouldn't it?
Just feminine.
We don't wear them things. Them things they are overall thing. When we're in the mechanic shop, we wear overall, all in one thing. In the streets, you know, wear them things. We leave them things to the female. Them, you see it? In the streets, we are real gangster. We are real hardcore.
That one kind of look not so bad.
Okay.
Kind of look fancy.
Okay. So would you date a man who's wearing something like this?
Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it though.
So what do you think about it in general? I don't think it's feminine or anything?
It kind of have a feminine look, yeah, to me. But that's fashion, and different type of fashion come in and come out, so that's just their thing.
I noticed from the other day, the male fashion, I get too carried away, right? The man them wear some little something where it's out of the way right now, you see me? But that little style, rampant style, and my type of something.
So why you say it's getting carried away?
Yeah, because the American influence where Jamaica follow, right? And the way the American them dress with some skirt looking thing and all them something there. And that we are trying to portray.
No.
Why is that?
First of all, I don't like it. It's not something that I don't like the all-in-one. So to see a guy in it, it doesn't look good. It more look good than females.
This one.
Why not? He looks hot.
Alright, so would you date a man who wears it?
Yeah, me look good. Why not? I would.
What do you think about it in general, male wearing rompers?
Well, I don't have any comment, but most person would say it's a woman thing. So I don't have any comment though, but he looks good.
I think a lot of things that were meant for females are now going over into male fashion. I don't know why. I don't know how people find it sexy or attractive.
It look girlish, and it look too girlish.
Being a wear romper, him a wear romper? No way.
Well, it don't look appropriate to me as a man. You see me, I'm a gangster, and seriously, I couldn't put on that. No time, no day, no night too, again.
I'm so against it. I don't like it.
Would you date a man who wears it?
No, I wouldn't.
Why is that?
Because it doesn't look good. You can't imagine me and you go out and you're shorter than mine, or you're in a something looking exactly like mine. A man's supposed to be dressed like a man. You understand? That's my opinion.
Back then, they said man used to wear skirts still, but no, the romper thing still it out of hand still.
Back when?
Back in the days, that skirt man used to wear. Long time days and thing there, garment. But the romper now, for just like woman now, everything changed up now still, so I wouldn't wear it still.
Okay, I mean, on my opinion, definitely I wouldn't date a guy wearing romper, because how would it look if you wearing a romper and he wearing a romper too? Because I mean that's a bodysuit type, so romper for male is a no-no to me.
No time, that's not really real for man right now, you know. Woman thing that, yeah.
So why you wouldn't wear it?
Because I look feminine, man, you can't wear them something there. That's not straight.
It's an all-in-one. Everybody says that's an all-in-one. I mean, a female in a romper, yeah, that's okay, but then a male in a female clothes? It's in the Bible. Males shouldn't be wearing female clothes.
No, I wouldn't wear it. That is my personal view. It's not everything that comes into fashion that I would wear. You know, I mean, I think somebody that wear that's something that don't look right. You see it?
What define what you call not right?
Basically, it look like a woman clothes. But now I wear it. Them done make the jeans them well tight already. Now I wear that. I mean, them two wear the tight jeans and you understand? Slim fit jeans we wear when we're not tight jeans. Nothing look like tight.
The guys in my age group not wearing those again. The young people wearing it. I'm not dating a young person.
What do you think about it?
I don't see anything wrong with a person's life. That's what I'm saying. I don't really discuss a person's life, whatever life he want to live. That is between him spirit and him spirit. Whatever what he wants, not me.
And yet, Damian Crawford apparently sees the death of civilization in the male romper. You reacted to this thing really on a level on social media, saying that this is affecting masculinity at all kinds of levels. This is going to have a serious kind of impact. Why, though?
Well, culture, first of all, it seems to be a general acceptance that everybody can do what they want to do, as if what you do don't impact other people. So therefore, it's as if the I don't impact the us. So that when it's just him do what he wants to do.
Let him wearing a romper going to impact you?
Yeah. Not just personally, but I'm saying what it reflects is a removal of roles within our society and symbols that reflect those roles in our society. And so more and more men are not playing their role within a society. And that society defines what role the male should play. So once upon a time, the men would hunt. Now that we can buy chicken and beef at the supermarket, that's no longer a responsibility. So you find that men still have certain roles that are now being removed because they're now, in their minds, acting more female. So nothing is wrong with, for example, if a lizard is in my room and my girl is there, it is my responsibility to get rid of the lizard. That's my role.
So
don't mean I'm not afraid. It's just that it is my role. Now, that is a current threat. Equally, if a gunman come in, that is a new threat. It's equally my responsibility to protect her. When we don't have those roles defined anymore, then I'm running lever and she is then being abused. There are certain things that a man should do that we are diminishing because it's a romper, but generally it is being removed because men have no understanding of themselves and what their responsibilities are.
Let me go to the other man on the panel and ask him, you agree with Lakim? You agree with Damien? I beg your pardon?
Not really. I understand the sentiment, but I don't necessarily share it. This kind of discourse will occur when something comes up, and based on the discourse, people either back off or take sides. So it's good to have somebody who comes out and bonfire on it. So it will kind of show what the range are. You see, masculinity is a very fluid concept. He mentioned the historical, but the historical is based on scarcity of resources, where the man had a defined role, protect and provide. You go out and hunt. Once resources become more predictable, man, these roles are gone.
And you have supermarkets.
Not just that, she would tell you that, in fact, she would call exterminator to get rid of the lizard. She would call Hawkeye if you protect her. So boss, back off, we don't need your, if you defend me. You see, so it's also cultural, it's also specific to individuals. So we're having
But why are
fluidity.
you not saying it's problematic, having heard Damien say why it is?
No, well, because I see it for what it is. It's a marketing ploy. Because of the prominence of media, it has spread beyond its boundaries, and it's neither here nor there. It's not going to last. It's not going to last. It's just a ploy, a way to try. How can we expand the market to sell what was traditionally a female garment to also sell it to men too? It's just a ploy to make some money, but it won't last. So I don't even waste my breath on it.
Well, unfortunately, though, we have seen a trend that this is just another reflection from that trend. As he said, the person said earlier, the tight jeans came in, and then it became the very, very, very tight jeans. And
you
then
don't wear tight jeans?
I wear close pants, but not at the tight jeans yet. But the society, marketing, I said, a marketing ploy can only come when socialization changes. So you can't come with something in the 70s or the 80s or in certain communities that couldn't have come as a ploy. What we have seen, as I said, generally, things that I grew up knowing men. For example, men don't beg. I grew up knowing that you get beaten to beg. Now you go to the stoplight, they don't even bother want to wipe your glass. I'm just begging. Men provide. Yes, women are working too, but if my mortgage don't pay, I am taking the losing for that. I feel like I need to go out there and do it. My girl is contributing, but I feel that it is my responsibility to provide, to protect.
You don't think you're mixing up a whole heap of issues together?
No, because what happened is all that socialization is reflected not only in how we act, but what we do. So therefore, now that I'm willing to act like a girl, I'm willing to say that my woman minding me, then you no longer feel that conscience if you're incapable or not doing it at the particular point in time. So if I am not providing for my home, my conscience comes in to say it's my role and I need to act. The people that don't feel that is their role, that conscience don't come in to say that they need to act. So them say that, oh, my woman mind me and move on.
I've been watching with very great interest the expressions on the face of the other guests while you're talking, but I just wanted to allow you to really set the stage and establish what it is you're saying.
Hang him out there.
No, I must set up himself. So what we're going to do since we're there, let break is go to break and then we'll come back and get views from our other guests as well. Stay with us, we'll soon come.